Okay, now let me give you a little bit of time, and how about you guys try 2.17 in page 46. And let's try this thing together. So here we have the bill of materials and engine 300, whatever like that, and auto balancing robot. That's what it is for. And we have the part number. We have 83 173 3DR dash data dash 433 megahertz. We have WRL dash 12577 LM741 C and then S, and we have H2181 and D, right? Then we have the part name. And what do we have? We have Raspberry Pi to Model B. We have 3D robotics, and we have Spark Fun, and we have LM 741 op amp, and we have con socket thing, right? And then what do we have next? We have description. This is microcontroller. We have telemetry. We have Bluetooth modem. We have op amp. We have rectangle connector, right? And what's next? We have quantity, which is 21135. And then we have per unit price, which is 35, 26, 99, 20, 95, 59, and 16, right? And then we have the subtotal, right? And then the very bottom, we have and the total. So here, in order to make this thing that looks like in the table given, we will slightly increase this thing so that it fits the whole stuff, right? And then here we will increase this guy, description, quantity, per unit, price, and we have the subtotal, right? And then here we need to have these in bold, right? And these are all going to be in bold as well. And here you need to have a big table like that. This is going to be like this. And down here we have table like that, right? And what else do we have? Ah, these are all in a single line. You see from that table, this instead of having one, two, three, four, five, six cells, this is going to be a single cell. And the way you do that thing is by merge and center. So if you click this guy, all these cells are going to be merged at a single cell. See that thing? If you want to unmerge this thing, you can click it one more time, or you can merge and center and do this thing as well. Just hit F4 and I'll just hit F4 again, right? So we have that one and the grand total. We have all these merge and centered, right? And all aligned to the right. And Here we have the grand total, right? And what else do we need to change? These are all center aligned, right? And these are all in dollars. So I'll just click this dollar sign, right? And then we need to find a subtotal, which is quantity times the per unit price, right? Copy and paste and paste and paste and paste like that, right? And then the grand total is going to be the summation of all those cells, right? So we will summation this plus that plus that plus that plus that, something like this, right? Or instead of that, we can just use this auto sum, then select the range and hit enter, just like that, right? Okay.